Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Science and Tech Reviews. So the topic of our today's discussion is top 3 dominating technologies of 2022. Those technologies are blockchain, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, now let's explore each of those technologies one by one. So, what is actually blockchain? Blockchain is the most reliable database which works on the concept of decentralized system. Decentralized system might be new to you. You don't have to worry about it. We're gonna discuss it right now, right here. In order to know what is decentralized system, you must know what is centralized system. In centralized system, we have central hub or server that contains all the resources, and that hub or server entertain all the requests of clients. On the other hand, if we talk about decentralized system, we have the interconnected system. Means there is no system that acknowledges him to be the sole authority. Let's see some theory about blockchain. Blockchain use encryption and P2P network. P2P stands for peer-to-peer network. In peer-to-peer network, there's no centralized hub or server. That's why we call it decentralized system. The information is stored and encrypted in blocks. A blockchain is basically the chain of blocks that are interconnected with each other. Every block has an ID or hash number and is connected to the previous block. It uses hashing algorithm to secure information in the block. This technology makes it almost impossible to keep. Let's discuss about the applications of blockchain. Most common application of blockchain are is in fact over the internet all over the world to offer faster innovation. Secondly, cloud computing uses the concept of resource free and data saving. In cloud computing, lots of services are connected and large number of customers. It uses the concept of maintenance, where different resources are it uses the concept of self-service artificial intelligence. So what is actually artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is an extensive field of computer science that focuses on building machines capable of performing activities that normally require human intelligence. Let's see some key points. Artificial intelligence